In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable autocorrection. To find autocorrection, you need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Don't worry, I tested it, it will work. Because here you can tap on Additional Settings and then select Languages and Input. Now it's time to select Manage Keyboards and click on Revert at the top. Then hit Corrections and Suggestions to click on this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it off or switch it on. Quick tip, most people miss that you can also tap on autocorrection on the left, like that, and this way get access to this option called Undo Autocorrect on backspace. You can manage it thanks to this switcher. Personally, I recommend for you to at least try it because it's making using autocorrection even better. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!